Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Kore the Traveler, and yeah, today I've just come to my parents' house. It's been a while since we were here. The last time we were here, it's before we went to our trip to Masai Mara. And today, the thing that it's happening is we had left a certain project of them putting like a shed outside the house, and that is what we want to go and check right now, to see if the job it was done well, or they just did like a shoddy work, or if the job never worked. So I know most of you guys are familiar with this place. It was actually those chickens were outside. I'm glad that I was here to bring them in. Yeah, so like I said, there was this project that we had left it before we left, and it was about making like a shed. And basically this shed was to create like it was just a shed, so that when we will be starting working in the kitchen, we need like everything to be outside, and it might take like a few days. And with the rains and the sun, we never wanted like things like the table, the cupboards, or the kitchen table, all those things not to be rained on. And that is why we decided to actually make this shed. So let us go and see how the shed looks like. Yeah, so this is my parents' house, as you can see. So this is the outside. Most of you guys, you are familiar with this place. Yeah, so this is the main entrance to the house. Yeah, it's a little bit dark. Let me turn on the light. Yeah, so I don't know what was not happening in here. So that's my cousin Wycliffe. He's taking a nap. I'm away mgonjwa. Uko tu sawa? Yeah, he's taking a nap. Yeah, so this is also another project that we had left it to be done. Installation of Wi-Fi, so that they can be able to watch our videos. They were having a hard time to buy all the time to buy like bundles, so that they can watch our videos. So with us installing the Wi-Fi, so with us installing the Wi-Fi, actually it will be helping them, so that they can be able to watch our videos. So yeah, that's my wife calling. Let me just pick it up. Hey babe. No, actually I'm recording a video. I'm here at my parents' house to record the video of the shed. Then I'll be on my way coming. Okay, bye. Love you. Yeah, so we thought maybe it could be very, very much good for them to have internet in this house. So we are trying our best to to make things possible here. So I can see, hey Wycliffe, so nifungulie mlango hapo hivi. Okay, I'm just trying to tell Wycliffe to open for me this door. So as you can see up there, it used to be like an open space, but right now they've already sealed. There's like a roof. Yeah, it looks so good. Wow, it looks super amazing. Wow. Actually, just putting up this shed, it actually cost us about 200 and 295 USD. That is approximately 29,500 Kenya shillings to just put up this shed. And I can see they really did a very good job. There's the table there where after they wash, I know it's pretty dark inside here, but there's a tap here with water. And what we are trying to do here, let me just come this side because there is no like light in there. We are trying to make sure like we put like some light also in there, and maybe we need to cover this area so that it doesn't become like an open for like for security reason, just to make sure that this area is also closed. We need to move that tap maybe towards the wall, and maybe digging like a drainage along that area. It's pretty dark, by the way, so that we'll have to remove everything inside the kitchen that you can see here. The table, this is the table that I was talking about, the chairs, the gas cylinder, the fridge, like just removing everything and putting them outside, so that when we start the project inside here, we just want to like to have like enough space for us to work, as because we are going to put like a sink inside, so that they don't at night they don't all the time go outside to like maybe wash the utensils or their dishes that they've used. Sindio weekly, how will that be?
It will be very easier for us, and kind of saving time and everything. Yeah.
So it will be saving like a lot of time.
Yeah, and also like working in the kitchen is much easier because there's the sink and everything. So I think it will be a good thing for us. Yes.
So imagine like having like a water sink in the kitchen.
Yeah.
There's like enough light. There's no those big cupboards, like just some nice cabinets and everything.
Yeah.
See, it will be like well organized. And
yeah, I think even the house itself, it will be very organized, starting from the sitting room going to the kitchen. It will be just nice, and the house,
you know,
will be in order.
yeah, sorry for cutting you, but you know the way the living room was before, like before we did the renovation.
Yes.
And after the renovation, how can you just, in a few words, how can you say about the new transformation?
I think now their house, it looks incredibly nice. It's just super. Everybody coming in, he or she is like, wow, what a new place we have here. Earlier on it was not like this, so it's just a big transformation for us. Yes.
Yeah, so guys, as you just heard from Wycliffe, it has been like a very nice transformation that even like visitors, whenever they come to visit, they are so surprised. Like from outside it looks like this, an iron sheet house, but when you get inside, wow, I just love this color. It looks so amazing, very good. And I think the same color that we used here, we need to apply it on the window too, so that the window can look good. And also maybe if there will be like enough money remaining, I think we'll have to work also on this area to look like the way it is on this other side. So the transformation, it's pretty super amazing. There's like enough space. I think if you go to our main channel, you guys will be able, because of light I know you guys are not able to see me, but because of where was I? You know, I'm never used to like speaking very fast, but yeah, before the house really looked very small, because so many things most of the things were here and there, so there wasn't like enough space in the house. But after the renovation, we have like enough space in the house, very very big space that people can even walk in. They're never okay, before it wasn't that much of spacing in the living room. So the same thing that we did in the living room is exactly what we are trying to do, or we will be trying to do it also, but in the kitchen. So yeah, so basically the thing that I wanted to show you guys, the most important thing is the roofing, the shading. I know it's a little bit dark because right now it's already 7, as you can see. It's already 7. But yeah, this is the project that we left when it was being done. And I just love the way towards the end it's a little bit raised up compared to this area, so that when it rains, the water doesn't stay inside, no, on top, but it goes to the bathroom. And also, you know, before when it rained, people coming from the house wanting to use the washroom, they could be rained on. But I know with this one, with the shade, it will also help a lot. So we need to also put like some lights here to make this place look bright. We need to work on the floors also to make sure that it's a very very smooth floor. Maybe putting like a cement to raise this area to be almost the same size of the other side, so that when it rains, the water doesn't come inside. Because if we raise here and we put like a lot of cement and I don't know, concrete, whichever it is, the water won't be able to come in. And also, I just can't wait to paint also this side. I just want to like paint so that it looks very very amazing. When with a white, maybe a white color, it can be good, so that when there's some kind of a light up there, people working there, they'll be able to see what they are doing, yeah, very easily. And over here we have our dog. Hi. You know, just to say something about this dog, it's so funny that my brother Moses, when I don't know if he's the one who brought it home, but he actually told us that it's a German Shepherd. Little did I know, or little did we know, it's just a very very short dog. Imagine this, the highest it can go. This is like, let me try to see if it can stand. Hey, stand up. Stand. No, stand. Oh boy. Hey, stand up. I don't know why it's itching. So yeah, so you guys, you can see that's the height. Very short. And it's already pregnant. And over here we have another big dog, as you guys can see. It's very very huge. And for me, I got a small puppy, Chihuahua. We always call it Zuri. Yeah, our puppy is called Zuri. So I think I'm going to end this video, but I don't know if I have anything else to say. But also, I don't know if I should paint the outside. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I'm still debating. Not the roofing, but just the wall outside. It can look very very unique house. I don't know, but yeah. So this is just our small compound, and yeah, this is where we always have like our fire when we want to use like a firewood. We have do you see this? I should call it a log. Yeah, log. So this one, it was in the middle where there's a shade. So we had to, and it was almost the same size as these other ones, as you can see. So we had to look for this friend of ours. We gave him that job, and he really cut the tree from up till down. And this is the piece that we actually got it from there. And we might use this log to maybe split it into small pieces and make like a firewood from firewood there that we can use to make fire here, maybe if you want to cook outside. Yeah, so actually it's becoming very, very so late, and I think I'm gonna end this video here. It's very dark. Let me see if this light will be able to help a little bit. Yeah, I think so. So I'm gonna end this video right here, and I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch our videos. If you're new here, thank you so much for choosing to watch our videos. And yeah, always be safe, take care of yourself, and until next, yeah, until next time, bye.